Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of feedback on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of feedback on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Gmail and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop. Like this we can click and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.